Hi there and welcome to this meditation to find peace and stillness. If you're new here, please subscribe to this channel and check out the meditations playlist for more content. But for the time being, just close down the eyes and just make any adjustments you might need to make so you're seated comfortably. Make a few rotations with the shoulders and the neck, and just allow everything to just soften and relax. And once you've done that and you feel ready, with the eyes closed, just tune into your breath and the pattern of your breathing. Try to breathe into the belly, low down. If you need to, place your hand on your belly so you can feel the rise and fall of your stomach as you breathe. And the reason we breathe into the stomach is to activate the parasympathetic nervous system, which helps you to relax deeper. Helps you to let go of any tension, any stress, and connects to your nervous system. So just breathe and allow yourself to just be open to this time and to this space where your mind and body can just be centered, relaxed, still, and thoughts may come and thoughts may go. However, just allow them to pass. For you are not the thought. The thoughts are just the mind not wanting to calm down. But with regular practice, it becomes easier. You gain more clarity, become more focused. So just follow that breath. And you should now be starting to feel more relaxed, more centered, more at peace. I just want you now to bring your awareness to the top of the head. At the top of the head, I want you to imagine that there is a wonderful bright ball of white light. And I want you to slowly, gradually, with each breath, pass this ball of white light through your body. With each breath, and eventually moving down to the soles of the feet. So begin that journey now and follow that awareness with that white light into your forehead. Allow the muscles in the forehead to relax. With each breath, moving deeper into the eyes, the muscles around the eyes, the ears, all relaxed. The cheek muscles and cheekbones relaxed. Your jaw, your lips, your throat, your neck. Just let go of any tightness, any tension. Just be. moving into the shoulders, the tops of the arms, and allowing that light to pass down the arms to the ends of the fingertips. Breath by breath, more relaxed. Breath by breath, tension released. Breath by breath, deeper and deeper. Moving that light into the chest, the heart, the ribs, the lungs, and working down the main trunk of the body, through all your major internal organs, passing that light through your whole system, relaxing, cleansing, and clearing in the quantum field. Moving down to the hips and the place that you sit on that chair, into the buttocks and the thighs, allowing that light to relax. Allow everything to be at ease. Into the knees, calves and shins, the ankles, the feet, sending that light into each toe, and through the soles of the feet into the ground beneath you, connecting you deeply to the ground, earthing you. Bring that wonderful light frequency healing to your mind, to your body, to your emotions, healing with the very essence, the very light from within you. I'm going to leave you here now for a few moments to enjoy this space and time in this meditation. just following that breath, feeling that wonderful sense of relaxation, of peace, of a wonderful flow of energy moving through your body, moving through your mind, bringing clarity, bringing peace. When you feel ready, take a nice deep breath in, a long slow exhale, and repeat this 2 more times. I'd like to thank you for being here with me today in this meditation. And if you're new, please do subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you again soon.